Welcome to Chad Hates Carbs. Today we're going to be doing a sour cream milkshake. And yeah, it's as crazy as it sounds. The short version of the story is we had an event for the company I work for, and it was a Mexican feast, and they had leftover sour cream. And this entire thing was full of sour cream because we had lots of sour cream left over. So I'm me, and I wanted to know what can I do with sour cream, so I decided I'm going to look it up and see if there's any other desserts, and there's cakes and all kind. I don't have time for that. So we're going to make a milkshake out of sour cream. So what we're going to do, we're going to put about 2 cups of sour cream, which is, yes, that's a lot of sour cream, right? But what is sour cream other than cream that's been soured, right? So here we go. So it's 2 cups, this is all very approximate. And I'm almost done. This is my third batch of these, and I like them. So anyway, what do we do for sweetener? Well, there's a couple options we have. I'm using this French vanilla sugar-free syrup Tirani stuff. You don't need a whole lot of this because you don't want it to be super overpowering vanilla-wise. So it's, I don't know, a couple tablespoons. I don't know. But I am also using some Splenda. This stuff, I believe, is the sucralose. Yeah, so this is also Splenda. So if you wanted to mix it up so you don't get that metallic flavor, if you're one that's super sensitive to it, you might use something different, monk fruit or erythritol or whatever, but I'm trying to get rid of the Splenda. So we're going to put some of that in there. There we go. And then I'm putting in PB Fit peanut butter powder for protein powder stuff for peanut butter flavor, because I'm a fan of peanut butter. I don't know, an amount of that. Not a ton, but enough. And then I'm also going to put in some coconut oil, just for kind of thickening and whatever. Also a little bit of that coconut flavor, get that going in there. And then all you do, as simple as it is you just start beating it up. It's not, and I'm going to warn you, if you're making this is not one of those things that is super thin. These are very thick milkshakes. So I'll show you the texture here in a second, and then I'll show you how you can thin it down a little bit. So be back in a second. Okay, so that's maybe, I don't know, 30 seconds or a minute of beating this up. We're going to go ahead and taste it. Since I'm the only one eating this, I can do this, right? And what you're looking for, man, it's going to be kind of a cream cheesy, kind of a cheesecake taste because it's got that tang of the sour cream. But you're just looking to make sure that there's enough sweetness to take that kind of edge off. And that's pretty good. It's got a little bit of that cream cheese bite, but it's not like you're eating sour cream, I guess is what I'm trying to get at. You do have to watch this a little bit because a lot of times the powdered stuff will stick to the sides, so you got to kind of mix it down a bit. So we're going to do that, and then I'm going to go ahead. This actually ended up working out a little bit thinner, ironically, than the last couple batches, which I'm not really sure why that is, but I'll take it. The last couple batches I've had to either just eat it with a spoon at the end or go ahead and thin it down a little bit with water. But we're going to go ahead and we'll just try this. Alrighty, those of you that follow the channel know I'm a scraper. I always like to get all my stuff out. Of course, I'm getting it all over the counter now, so I guess that's the downside. I'll just lick off the counter later, it's fine. Alright. So now we just pour some of this in there, and you can see, texture-wise, there's your milkshake. And it's good stuff, man. Good stuff. Not super sweet. I don't like it super sweet, like I said. Just a little bit of this, a little bit of extra sweetener so we don't just overload it with vanilla. And then I got that peanut butter flavor from the PB Fit, so super fast, super easy, and a great way to use a gallon of sour cream that you get from a event at work. So the last batch of this I made with sugar-free jelly. Instead of the BB Fit and the sweetener, I just took a couple of spoonfuls of sugar-free jelly and stuck it in there and whipped it up, and it was really good. It was peach flavored, so it was like a peach flavored milkshake. So you can do all kinds of stuff, obviously, with this. So it's a nice trick if you got lots of extra sour cream that you got to use. So until next time, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Have a great day.